Imagine losing over $400,000 of your retirement overnight. That's almost exactly what happened to David and Susan Morales from Naples, Florida. They had built up a healthy retirement, just over $1.1 million in their 401ks after 35 years of working in real estate and education. But then 2022 hit. Inflation spiked, markets plunged, banks collapsed, and they watched more than a third of their savings evaporate before they did something that changed everything. I'll tell you what they did in just a second. But first, you need to understand why more and more Americans are moving their money into gold IRAs right now. Look around. According to recent data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, inflation is still rising faster than expected in core categories like rent, insurance, and food. And just this week, the Federal Reserve hinted they may not be cutting interest rates anytime soon due to persistent economic uncertainty. Meanwhile, commercial real estate is teetering, banks are overexposed, and retirement funds are once again in the line of fire. So here's the real question. If you've worked your entire life to build a retirement, why would you leave it all in one basket when you know that basket is cracking? That's what David and Susan asked themselves after losing $400,000 in just a few months. And after a friend mentioned a gold IRA, they decided to take a closer look. They started with the same thing you can get today: a free, no obligation gold IRA guide and a short educational call with a precious metals specialist. No sales pressure, no gimmicks, just real, honest answers. What they discovered shocked them. They learned that a gold IRA is not some risky investment scheme. It's a legal IRS-approved retirement vehicle that allows you to roll over part of your existing IRA or 401k into physical gold stored safely in your name. It's tax deferred, and once it's set up, it doesn't require constant management. In fact, it's built for protection, not speculation. David and Susan rolled over $538,000, less than half of their total retirement, into a gold IRA. Within a year, they watched gold prices rise while the rest of the market struggled. But more importantly, they slept soundly at night. Now they know that even if Washington gets it wrong again, if banks crumble, or if the dollar weakens further, at least part of their retirement is shielded from the chaos. And it all started with that free gold IRA guide. So if you're over 55, have at least $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, and you care about preserving your retirement, your legacy, and your peace of mind, don't wait. Click the link, grab your free gold IRA guide, and schedule your no-pressure educational call today. This isn't about fear. It's about facts. It's about smart diversification, real protection, and finally having options that actually put you in control. You've worked too hard to leave your retirement vulnerable. Get the facts. Get the guide. And take the 5 minutes that could protect everything you've spent a lifetime building for yourself and for the next generation.